Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for dropping by, and I hope everyone is staying safe, positive, and making your dreams come true. In today's video, I will be talking about the items that I purchased at Amazon for my braces. So there will be like, I'm looking at my notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I thought that would be helpful for me to share with you, people out there who have braces. And I would be interested to know what you've also bought since you've got the braces, especially if you are an Amazon Prime member like me. I'm big on Amazon. I buy at Amazon almost weekly. Let's begin. The first thing that you're seeing on the screen is the Goodbye Canker Sore Serum. I really like it. I think when I ordered this, it was about $20-some, but right now it's $14.95. At the start of my journey in braces, as you know, I was not aware of the benefits of wax, or when the wires are starting to poke me, that I could go to the orthodontist office and ask them to adjust them. So this Canker Sore serum was really effective. Highly recommended. If you are okay to spend this amount of money on this serum, I highly recommend you use this if you have braces and you just have non-stop canker sores inside the mouth. However, the most effective way to avoid the canker sore is consult with your orthodontist. Your rubber or your the pokey wires, you may be, like the rubber bands, if you're already wearing rubber bands, you may be allergic to latex. I did not, like I said in my other videos, I did not know that my inside of the mouth is not liking the latex at all. So when I started using latex free bands, I stopped having canker sores. And then when I started actively using wax, then I prevented canker sores. So I would literally put wax in all of the brackets in front, at the back, and literally my brackets are covered with wax, and then I was able to avoid canker sores. But this one, although it's a bit pricey, it's really very effective. Let's go to the next item that I ordered. You're seeing here the Orthodontic Toothbrush. This is a good buy. For less than $10, you have 4. I actually ordered this 3 times. So when you look at the details of this toothbrush, it's literally like higher on the edge, and then the brushes in the middle are shorter. So when you brush, you're literally, if you can just visualize that, the lower brushes in the middle are brushing the brackets and the wire, and then the longer brushes on the sides are brushing your teeth. The nice thing about this as well is at the end of the handle, there are smaller brushes that you can put in between your teeth, like underneath the wire. So I really love this toothbrush. That's why I was a repeat customer on this item. Right now I'm using the regular toothbrush because we have a lot of them, and I thought, why not save money? And it works well anyway. I do water pick, I do spin brush, I do the regular toothbrush, and like I said in my other video, I was actually complimented by the orthodontist of how well I'm keeping my brackets, the wires, and the braces, and my teeth clean. They said that whatever I'm doing shows. So this set, again, highly recommended if you're willing to spend $9. You're an Amazon Prime member. This is a highly recommended product. The next product is this clip-on lip shield. I ordered this maybe the first week that I got the braces, because I was desperate to cover the brackets because they were really causing me pain and it was so hard for me. So I bought this, and sad to say, it did not work for me. First of all, those small things that clip on, they do not really stay. Only because if you notice, my braces is not, the brackets are not clear line, right? So some of my lower teeth brackets are in an angled slanted this way. The upper is a bit more regular straight line. So this lip shields do not work very well for me. They keep coming off, and at the same time I remember putting them on and it just added a more pressure on my teeth, as if it's pulling my teeth because it's trying to like clip on the bracket, and you can literally feel the pressure. It's the same thing. I'm gonna go to the next product. It's the same thing here. So the main difference between the first one and this one, the first one had more of like, this is the lip shield, and then you've got plastic hooks to hook into the brackets, whereas this one is more like a pipe, but it's open, and all you do is that entire plastic, you clip it on. Theoretically, I thought this would go well, but then again, because I don't have a straight set of brackets, it did not necessarily stay in my mouth. It was very uncomfortable as well. Even if I cut it, it just won't stay. So in essence, I actually felt I wasted $20 on these items. And if I were to go back in time, I would just invest that $20 on wax and not buy this product. But if you want to go ahead, maybe it'll work for you because you have straighter teeth. Maybe it'll work better for you. But for me, these items did not work at all. The next one that we're gonna review is this Platypus Ortho Pick. So as I said, one of the things that I really struggle in doing is flossing. And our flossers out there, that the end of the flosser is already hard, and all you have to is like some very mild thin toothpick, and you can just put it through your bracket or your wire. I bought this one in place of Platypus because it was a lot cheaper. Imagine, for $13 you have a pack of 4, right? So let me show you the Platypus. Platypus, on the other hand, it's $20 for 3 packs. So maybe it's 22 cents per count, and then the other one is 9 cents per count. So there's a big of a difference in the price. But if I were to compare the Platypus and the Ortho Pick, I really like the Platypus. It's just that I was not willing to continue to pay $20 on Platypus, although it was very easy. The main difference between the two is that thin part that goes through underneath the wire. Platypus has it thinner than Ortho Pick, and so it was more smooth. Like, you don't even have to look in the mirror if you want to floss using the Platypus. It's the same thing with Ortho Pick, but it's just a tiny bit thicker than Platypus. So overall, these two purchases, the Platypus Ortho Pick and the Platypus, are good buys. If you're willing to shell out money, $20, buy the Platypus. If you want to just have more savings, more for the money, I would recommend the Platypus Ortho Pick. It depends on how big your brackets are, or how much space you have between the teeth and the bracket, and if it actually fit in there. So I hope this was helpful to all of you guys. I'm looking forward to hearing from you if you have anything that you experienced and or bought at Amazon. If you bought any of these products that I actually bought as well, and how was your experience. Thank you so much for watching. Click the subscribe, like, and notification bell button. And I just wish you all the happiness and peace and dreams come true. Stay safe and stay happy and positive. Take care, everyone. Bye.